Kelly. It's Paula Deen coming into you, and I want to offer you, along with your husband, Alan, a great big congratulations. Alan tells me that you just opened your first restaurant in Knoxville, Tennessee, called Kelly's Kitchen. What I'm saying is when this pandemic is over and I can travel again, I'm gonna hunt down Kelly's Kitchen because I would love to pop in on you. Honey, the restaurant business is one of the hardest businesses that you can ever go into. But if it's your passion, you don't mind one bit of the work. And you know what I like about the women in the restaurant business? You know, we have the ability to make the same thing that a man would make if our restaurant is successful. And there'll be days that you'll probably wonder, why the hell did I do this, Alan? But, you know, that feeling will pass, and you'll have a great day, and you'll feel like you got the world by the tail. So, at least you got Alan to lean on. So, you know, you're headed for a lot of hard work, but I know you'll be successful. And, you know, I'm always be here to send you love and best dishes. Bye-bye.